Okay, so hey, hi there. So, like a part two, right? So this is what's going on in with my art. So I started uh, this particular one with my art business back. I'll be heading into I think my third year. So the first year, what happened was I just completely fell in love with watercolor. So when you see like me promoting my classes, you'll notice that it's like for watercolor. Or, yeah, basically I was in love with watercolor for 2 years, and so yeah, I focus on watercolor, but actually you could take any one of my classes and apply it to whatever medium that you're working in. So they're all, it's not like only for watercolor, right? So you can use acrylic or Copic markers or Posca pens or gouache or oil paints, whatever. The concepts are the same. It's basically, trying to do beginner classes for folks that maybe aren't too confident in their artwork. So anyway, you'll notice that my classes are $10. So do I think my content's only worth $10? No, that's not what the case is. My content is quality. What the problem is that when I started creating these classes, did it as part of learning like video production skills, and I had like crappy camera equipment and crappy lighting, and so the reason my classes are only $10 is because the video production quality is not where I would like it to be or hope to be in the future, but I was learning, and so yes, I'm only charging $10 for my classes. The content's good. The video production quality probably not so great, but well worth $10. So hey, one way that you can support my art is by purchasing some classes. So if you saw my last video, then you'll know that I'm revising my business plan for 2023, and the reason is because towards the end of 2021 I started selling my originals just because I had a stockpile from producing art for my classes and producing art for like Redbubble and my web and other various things that I was using my art to make money on. And so they started selling, and then I got excited and I thought, oh, I love selling my originals, right? Except for the bad part is I didn't get good photos of them. That sucks, right? So, but anyway, so 2022 I focused mainly on selling my originals, and I was doing really good until I went on vacation. And then it came to a dead stop. So that really wasn't a viable business plan. So I'll let you know more in part two about what I'm going to be doing in 2023. Bye.